A spotless, clean, well-maintained vehicle is more fun to drive. It won't show its true age, and it retains its value. Keeping your vehicle clean is easy with the right products. The Platinum Shield Maintenance Kit includes a car wash concentrate for a gentle hand wash, includes Paint Cleaner Restorer for making sure your paint always shines, a premium leather conditioner for preserving supple surfaces, a spot remover for giving accidents immediate attention, a chamois for soft applications to painted and hard surfaces, and a sponge applicator for dabbing on precise amounts of product. By properly maintaining your vehicle with the Platinum Shield Maintenance Kit, you will dramatically extend the life of its cosmetic appearance and value. Protect your new vehicle inside and out with Platinum Shield protection products, and keep your vehicle looking like new.